Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to discuss some of our exciting options for third row vehicles. I'm standing here with a 2022 Sorento SX X-Line Prestige. This is going to be our second largest third row vehicle for SUVs. We also have the Carnival available. But if you come look back here, you've got a pretty impressive amount of space. Now this is with the third row down. You can see right here where it ends with it up. Nice simple system for getting it up and down, and you also have the 50-50 split. So you could have some stuff over on one side and a passenger over here. Now also with this guy, now this is not our largest third row vehicle, but if you come look, it's got a pretty impressive amount of space and a very impressive interior in the SXX line. But on all our third row vehicles now, you'll have buttons both on the top and side of the seat. It'll fall and slide forward. So even me, and I'm not that short, I can sit back here if I need to. So if you want to check out any of these exciting options, we have the Tellurides, hard to find, but we can get one for you. The Sorentos like this one, as well as the Carnival. Just call or stop by today.